my first time in the Magnus Group conference, and I'm pleased to be here and for the opportunity of participating as a speaker.
I participated in this meeting thanks to the wonderful organization done by the Magnus Group. The experience was not just nice, but was very impressive for the quality of speakers. We enjoyed to meet so different people from many parts of the world.
I came here in this conference in infectious disease, and we have a good experience to see our colleagues and our friends that have the same field of interest. And we feel happy to join this conference because we know more topics, we know more connection with other friends and colleagues.
This is my first time as a speaker in any congress, so I'm very grateful for the opportunity to share our work with all of you. So that's it.
This is a great opportunity for me to come and to hear from others, see what's happening around the world with infectious diseases. We've all been through COVID, so I'm looking forward to hearing sessions around COVID, but also very keen to see what the latest innovations are around the world for infectious diseases.
I find this conference very interesting because there are so different subjects which are discussed here. I'm particularly interested in COVID story, so thank you the organizers for doing this conference and for organizing it and to allowing us to participate and to exchange our ideas about infectious disease.
I've joined this great conference with a lot of excitement because I found the program very broad, covering really a very important and impressive range of issues in infectious diseases. So I think this is one of the strengths of the conference, is to be able to gather people from a very big variety of fields in infectious disease. So it's a nice way to cross-exchange ideas and challenges, so very much appreciated for this conference.
This Magnus Group is providing a good platform to interact with the eminent scientists, and it will also bring us the cutting edge ideas so that we can interact with the top leading scientists in the world. We can exchange our ideas with each other so that we can get a wider point of view to think, to view or broaden our research area, and I think this Magnus Group is doing a great job to bring all the scientists together, and it's providing a very good platform to interact with the great scientists of the world.
The Magnus Group have done an amazing job at running this event and bringing together such a diverse range of people and various research topics as well. So I've learned a huge amount from various speakers from varied backgrounds.
Well, this time is very interesting for me to be here in Italy. So I learn a lot of things about different pathologists. And well, I think it's a very good experience for everyone.
A contract research organization based in Poland, but we conduct clinical trials over the Europe as well in Israel. Have experience in clinical trials since over 19 years. The lectures are from almost all over the world, so we can get knowledge on the actual progress in science in the infectious disease area from different points of view, different countries.
I'll be presenting my research about HIV. I find it very exciting and very informative as to the lectures which I attended yesterday and even today. I hope to see you again as I attend to the next edition of the 4th World Congress of Infectious Disease.
Very nice topics were presented. The workshop was very interactive. I want to say thank you to the Magnus Group for organizing such a wonderful event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the opportunity.